In these complex questions, expect to see more than one missing angle. Notice the blue eyes on the screen. They're focused on where there are 4 of the missing angles. Now, if I draw a diagram of what this would look like, one of them would be 22 degrees in size, that would be known. And instead of one missing angle, there'd be 4 of them. Because each is represented with the same letter, it means each is the same size as each other. So I can work out what one of them would be, knowing that these 3 would all be the same size as that. Let me show you how to set these out. And we'll do 3 like this, because these are not protractor questions, do you see? We need our coded reasons, and we're going to show the working by writing down the true statements. And so because part A is inside a right angle, they're complementary. So we've got 1, 2, 2 missing angles of same size, and 140 degree angle makes 90 degrees. Complementary angles code. Working backwards from what I know, this total amount will be 50 degrees. So say that 2A equals 50 degrees. And when I see this statement, knowing that both of the missing angles must be the same size, the only measurement they could have is 25 degrees. Let's repeat that on part B, but this time it's not a complementary angle. Notice these are supplementary angles, adjacent on a straight line. So our statement will be 3 missing angles of same size plus 60 degrees equals 180. Supplementary code. We already know this amount, so if we remove that from 180, we're left with a total for this amount, which would be 120. Next line is the 3 missing angles make 120. And now we can see what each of them are, because each angle must be 40 degrees to make that statement true. Part C. Look at it carefully. It's a little different because this is not complementary or supplementary angles in this diagram. Can you see what type this is? This is vertically opposite angles. Your working will look a little different here because we're not adding anything up. Instead, these 3 are the same size as this one. These 3 are the same size as this one, with the vertically opposite code. And with that statement, there's only one size that angle A could be. It must be 20 degrees. So this is complex questions using your reasoning codes.